Abu Umar Nakhai says that a people asked Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu about selling, purchasing and trading in khamr, wine. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, "Are you Muslims?" They replied in the positive. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, "It is not permissible to sell, purchase and trade in khamr." That people then asked him the precept of Nabis. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went on a journey and then came back, whereas the people had prepared Nabis in green jars, hollow wood and dry hollow gourds. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed orders to spill that Nabis. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then commanded to put resins and water in a water skin. It was done at night. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam consumed Nabis from that water skin in the morning, during that day, coming night, and continued consuming Nabis till the evening of the next day, and gave it to other to drink. In the next morning, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded to spill the remaining Nabis. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 5198.